What's up, guys? It is your boy Bernardo from the BTNHD, and if this is your first time checking me out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and get the latest and greatest on monitors. I am starting to get myself into unboxing as well as doing reviews for monitors for you guys. And today, BenQ sent me the EW3270u. Off the bat, BenQ, you need to work on this name. This right here is not sexy. EW3270u. It's not sexy at all. We are working with an HDMI 4K monitor. I think it has AMDFree Sync technology on it, which I definitely need to test that out. It says it right here in the box, AMDFree Sync. 3001, I think, contract ratio. 32 inches. It has a USB-C port. Nice. All right, so let me stop talking and get into the unboxing. All right, so what comes inside the box of the BenQ EW3270u? Again, BenQ, please change your naming of your monitors because it's weird. It comes with two cables. Looks like a display to a mini display cable, as well as a Type-C to Type-C cable. Cool. Doesn't come with an HDMI, which is okay. Might have to hook myself up with that. It comes with a bunch of warranty and a manual, as well as a user manual, driver, and Acrobat Reader CD. Whoa. You have your extension cord. This looks like the arm, and this looks like the base. So I'm assuming that I'm going to put the base over here. And let me see if I can unscrew this guy. See if I can unscrew it. All right, so you got to pull it and start unscrewing it. Okay, because it's a little loose. Put the screw over here to the side, and that's how you insert the base. Pretty cool. Let's screw it back together. Keep it nice and locked. Go. So it's righty. What is it? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Nice and tight. So this is the base, and the monitor goes right on top of it. And here goes the beautiful 32-inch monitor. Whoa. They are advertising that is HDR. I definitely need to test that out. Super light. Cool. I'm going to mount this guy. Let's see. Let me see if I could turn it on its belly. And it has two additional screws. I think it's probably, I might have to insert it, pick it up, and insert it. Yeah, cool. Awesome. So it has this like nice little mechanism right here that insert it and just screw this guy down. All right, guys. So that is my unboxing of the BenQ EW3270u. Wow, that's a mouthful. Again, BenQ, please change the formatting of your monitors. This is the 4K edition. I am not a guru dealing with monitors. I tell you off the bat, I'm not going to gas you guys saying this is this. Look, I'm not a professional dealing with monitors. I'm going to try my best to do the review for you guys. When I get it into the lab, hook it up to one of my gaming system. So far, what I know about this is 4K, right? It's HDR. It has HDR technology, which allows you to have rich contrast and all that other good stuff. On the back side of the BenQ EW3270u, we have two HDMI, one display port, one Type-C USB port, and then you have a headphone jack, and as well as your power. If you're facing the monitor straight on the right-hand side and the lower right-hand side, you're going to get a lot of buttons. I'm assuming this is the menu, changing the source, power button probably. So I definitely need to test that stuff out. Hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing of the BenQ EW3270u. Again, BenQ, please change the naming of your monitors because it is a mouthful. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything you want me to touch base on this particular 4K monitor, leave it at the bottom. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.